guys, welcome back to our channel Zero to Infinity. So in this video I will tell you guys how to post audio comments on your Facebook post. So if you want to post your audio comment on your Facebook post, I will tell you how to do that, or is this possible. I will tell you all things in this video. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel for more and more interesting and knowledgeable updates. So to put a audio comment on the post, first for open your Facebook browser. So I am here opening my Facebook Live browser. So I am now selecting a random post to put a audio comment. So let's select this post, and there you can see the option. So there is a option of sticker, gift, at the rate, and there is no more option in the chat box. So how to post a audio comment, I will tell you here. So there is no such option in this in my account. So how to get audio feature in this chat box comment? So go back from here, and we need to do one more trick to get audio comment in our Facebook post. So there you can see there is no such option. So as you know, Facebook have not provided any option for the audio comment. All the video you are searching for, there is no such thing. I have contacted them to ask them that there is a possibility of the audio voice in the comment box. So you can see the reply there. They said that they have working on this, and audio messages are not available in the Facebook. So if you want to get audio message feature, you need to wait for some time, and they are updating their server, and for after some updates this feature will be came out. But in today time there is no such option. So there are many users asking me about this matter. So I hope you got clear answer in this video, and that's the trick. That's the true news about this matter. So hope you got valuable information, and subscribe our channel Zero to Infinity.